Hey, hi. Uh, I'll be explaining what is data modeling. This is a very complex process of in the data warehouse. Like once during the development phase or something, the model will be very simple. As project goes or as complexity grows, uh, the the data model becomes more complex and more complex. And here are the steps how we should start. Like if it is if we want to start from the scratch, basically we can divide all the steps into five steps, but phases or five phases. Like for example, I have got a problem statement where I need to create a star schema for a card account system. So what I have created, like complete, what to say, hypothetical system with even the data I have created. Also, like for example, date dim and all the dimensions which are needed for this problem statement I have created. Like for example, see, this is a complete data model. So in the background, I have used all draw.io, and so here the we need to see what is the main requirement. Based on that, we need to design the facts and dimensions. Although it may be the requirements keep on growing, we need to consider upcoming all the requirements. Based on that, we need to create a data model. So in this case, for example, we need to track the daily snapshot, monitor plastic cards issued, and analyze credit limits and all these things. So basically, let's go to the data model. Okay. See, for example, what I have created is a main one fact card activity and a daily fact. See, daily is our granularity. Based on that, even we can go to any of the things. So we can keep daily uh, fact account balance in one data sets and different dimensions. So what I have created is a all complete uh, SQL statements, all the tables, everything is present. Let's have a look in the data. Dim date, right? For 2023 to 2024, for 2 years data I have created. Okay, basically time dimension, and we have a card holder. Like just for simplicity, I have taken only five. Uh, what to say, people who are having the cards and account them. As per my knowledge, like the data modeling is one person can create complex or simple. It depends upon his expertise and experiences. At the end, we can uh, improve it and like keep on adding the tables, or we can sometimes our we starts with star schema and with snowflake schema and all. Star schema means fact is surrounded by dimensions, but as per my knowledge, sometimes it when it comes to real time scenarios, right, we sometimes keep on adding the dimensions. Almost fact remains same, but mostly even sometimes we may need to add multiple facts also. And even one interesting thing, usually we maintain SCD2 in dimensions, but sometimes even we may need to maintain the history for even facts also. Okay, let's come back to this. Okay, basically I have created all the data sets, and just think this is a daily fact daily account balance, where basically we maintain the facts, a snapshot of the data, so that easily analysis can be done. Otherwise transactions can be done in these things. Okay, let's come to the problem statement. Monthly spending pattern for primary card holders. So just an example. So I'm joining, you see this all the dimensions I have joined, and we can just calculate for any Jan data itself available. So for these three people, total purchase, total payment is like this. Okay, utilization of card. Okay, let's come to this query. You see this, what is the percent of utilization, because we have the credit limit stored in one table, right? So additional cardholder spending analysis, you see this. So additional cardholder spend analysis. So only two people, so, and spent the largest purchase. So this is the last one where outstanding balance and utilization can be captured. Like for example, we can run this code every day and we can keep on capturing the data. See for example, the current date. Okay, this is to track only the today's snapshot. So by this way, like we can even trend or anything can be captured. So that's why like the facts granularity we should be keep as minimum as possible. In this case, maybe we are keeping per day, and sometimes maybe per, if it is very streaming data or something, we need to keep per minute also. So it depends. So but here a card system, uh, we are keeping for only 1 days, because if we have 1 day's data we can uh, like extrapolate that to monthly also and quarterly or anything. Okay, so just an example, this insert statement will be running every day of the end of the day or something, closing of the day. Okay, like that. This is a simple, what to say, uh, card account system, where I'll be giving all the links, queries, everything, and we'll see. Okay, see another simple example of top three sales. Just used Python, and then it's simple thing, like I just uh, displayed the data set which is present here, and what I did, I just filtered the last six, uh, start date and end date. Okay, so 60 six months I need to go back. Okay, just for example, north is the what to say, region. Okay, so the first is we just read it, displayed it, and then what to say, filter the data for this region. Okay, this is nothing but just kind of a where clause, and then what we did is group by based on this, and we are doing the sum of sales. For example, right, if you see, we have two entries for even 103 product ID and even 102 also. So the top three sales will be these two. Although actually this will be, if you put tens rank, it will be like uh, which will be 1 2 2, right? So top two will be like, top three will be like this only. Okay, just come to another example. So where the complex system, for sure this will be much more complex in real time, but what I try to uh, do is I created a model where it will tell, like Uber will be having users, driver profiles, documents, vehicles, ride management. Every time we uh, use the ride, it will be different types of service types. For everything we'll be having the different uh, dimensions and facts. Okay, so it will be for sure, what to say, snowflake not a star, or multiple, or actually they call it galaxy data modeling, where multiple stars will be there. Just an example, you see, financial system support. When it comes to Uber, there will be many what to say, complex things will be there. Real time ride, like, and there will be OLAP and OLTP systems for sure. Where Uber will be having the what to say, consumption layer, and this is just my thought. It will be much more complex. Okay, I'll be keep on adding the data models. Just have a look. Also, Git will be my GitHub link I'll be giving, and just keep on exploring and share your comments. Thank you very much.